Welcome to Shantalakshmi IAS. In this video, we will be discussing the daily MCQs based on that date's current affairs. This will be very helpful to you to boost your prelim score. First question. Consider the following statements regarding the Taiwan Strait. He has given three options here and asking which statements are correct. You should be very careful while reading the question. Sometimes he may ask which are not correct, which are correct. So you should be very careful. And this is given in today's newspaper. Okay, this is taken from today's newspaper. Taiwan Strait. Taiwan Strait is located in the Pacific Ocean and it separates the Taiwan and China. It also connects the East China Sea and South China Sea. Okay, you can also see that Taiwan Strait is located on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, whenever any international water bodies which has any geopolitical significance, then you should make a note of that. And if you go to the options, statement 1, it is located on or above the Tropic of Cancer. This statement is true. It connects South China Sea and Yellow Sea. This statement is false. Hong Kong and Taiwan are separated by Taiwan Strait. This is also false statement. So the answer is only 1 and D is correct. You can also solve this through elimination method. For example, statement 1 is correct. So these three are correct and here there is no one. Let's eliminate this. As statement 2 is wrong, let's eliminate this and also this. And statement 3 is also wrong. So the answer is D, only 1. Okay. Second question. The Sustainable Development Goals India Index is released by A. United Nations, B. Niti Aayog, C. RBI, D. India Development Foundation. This is taken from today's newspaper. Okay. Whenever any important reports or indexes that appears in the news, then you must know the releasing authority or what is the purpose of that index or report and what is its main aim. So this should be very helpful in the examination. And Niti Aayog has introduced this SDG India Index in the year 2018. As in India believes that strong states make strong nation. In that context, if Indian states and UTs implement the 2030 SDG targets, and this will be very helpful for India, or this is the progress of the nation. That's why the Niti Aayog is documenting the progress made by states and UTs towards the implementation of 2030 SDG targets. Okay, and so the answer is B, Niti Aayog. Okay. Third question. Consider the following statements regarding double asteroid redirection test. He has given two options and also asking the correct statements. Okay. Double asteroid redirection test. It is taken from the today's newspaper. This test. Okay. Whenever any asteroid or any comet that heads towards the Earth in the future, if any asteroid heads towards the Earth in the future, then how to escape from that? The only way is to change its trajectory or to change its direction, and that can be possible by applying some force. That force is applied by spacecraft. A spacecraft will be crashed with that asteroid and it will change its course. Okay, and you can see that this is the path of that spacecraft and it will come and clash with this asteroid, and as a result it will change its trajectory or its direction. This is just an assumption. Okay, and the scientists have chosen the Didymos or Dimorphos as the asteroid, that is we are going to experiment on that. And this asteroid, okay, orbits around the Didymos. So whenever this spacecraft hits this asteroid, then how it is going to change its trajectory. This is an experiment that the NASA scientists are going to study the impact on this trajectory. Okay, and this is the first demonstration of the kinetic impactor technique to change the motion of an asteroid in space. This is the first of its kind, and remember this. If we go to the options, double asteroid redirection test is a NASA space mission aimed at testing a method of planetary defense against near-Earth objects. This statement is true. That will be the first demonstration of the kinetic impactor technique to change the motion of an asteroid in space. This is also true. So the answer is B, both 1 and 2. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding the MSP. He has given three options or three statements and asking which statements are correct. Be careful while reading the question, whether he is asking correct statements or wrong. Okay. This is taken from the today's newspaper. And in India, MSP, farm laws, and also the paddy procurement, all these are the hot potatoes in India. So a question may come in the prelims examination. Okay. MSP. MSP is a minimum price that government pays for farmers' produce at the time of procurement itself. And the aim of MSP is save the crops from price fluctuations. For example, if I produced 100 quintals of paddy and the price of paddy, these 100 quintals of paddy today is 1 lakh rupees. And suddenly, if the price changes to 80,000, or sometimes it may increase to 1,20,000, this will hugely impact the farmer and also the food security of India. So that's why MSP is required. And this MSP is recommended by the Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. Remember one point, that this commission only recommends the MSP and center will fix the MSP. Okay, be sure or be clear with these points. While recommending the MSP, the CSCP will consider these three forms. Okay, these three expenses. First, all the cash and kind expenses of the farmers, and the estimated value of the unpaid labor of family members will also added to this. It means the family members will also work in that agricultural field and they were not paid. Okay, that value is also included while recommending the MSP. And finally, along with the interest forgone, along with these two, the interest forgone by the farmer. For example, for paddy, it takes nearly 6 months to get the output. And for these 6 months, if he invested 20,000 in the paddy, then the interest for this 20,000 will also be included while recommending the MSP. Okay. And if you go to the options, it is aimed at saving the crops from price fluctuations in the market. This is true. The estimated value of the unpaid labor of family members is also considered while recommending MSP. This is also true. Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices recommends the MSP. Yes, this statement is also true, as the answer is C. All the statements are correct. Next question. Consider the following statements regarding the food and agricultural organizations. He has given 3 statements and asking which is not correct. Be careful while reading the question. Okay. This is taken from the today's newspaper, FAO, and if any international organization appears in the news, then read about that organization, its establishment, its objectives, and also if any important reports or programs that is conducted and released by that organization. And in the mail's perspective, you can also read how or what is the relation between India and that organization. Okay. And the main goal of FAO is to achieve food security for all and make sure that people should have regular access to enough high quality food and to lead active, healthy lives. Okay. This is the main goal of FAO. These are the important reports that released by FAO, like Global Report on Food Crisis, and it also for every 2 years it publishes the state of the world's forests. Okay, these are all some programs that is conducted by the FAO, and the objectives are elimination of hunger, food insecurity, malnutrition, and make agriculture, forestry, fisheries more productive and sustainable, reduce rural poverty. So these are all the objectives of FAO. If you go to the question, its goal is to achieve food security for all and make sure that people have regular access to enough high quality food to lead active, healthy lives. The statement is true. The State of the World's Forest Report is published by FAO. Yes, this is also true. Reducing the rural poverty is one of its objectives. This is also true. But he asked which are not correct. So all these are correct. None of the above is wrong. None of the above statements is wrong. So the answer is D. Be careful while reading the question. And that's for today. Thank you.